Kevin the koala can't sleep. Kevin the koala can't get to sleep. He's so very tired, but restless. Kevin takes a breath and makes a wish. I just wish to find the place where I can sleep, the best sleep I could ever sleep. A sprinkle of stardust swishes in the air, and Kevin's wish begins to come true. With a journey to find his ultimate sleep spot, Kevin wonders, where do I start? Who knows the way? How far will I have to go? The moon is listening. She whispers, follow your heart and listen to the stars. They will guide your way. With a tinkle and shimmer, a sparkle of stars lights the way, and Kevin follows them. Across the meadow, through a carpet of wild flowers. He enters the woods, where Kevin finds a funny bunny wearing a bow tie, white gloves, and a sailor hat. With a salute, he greets Kevin. Good evening, Captain Dream Bunny, at your service. I'm just about to pop off home to nod in the old bubble duster. Oh, that's what we call this old girl. Kevin sees a hot air balloon, covered in fluffy, wiggly Zeds, with what looks like a bird's nest for a basket. But it seems the bubble duster doesn't want to fly. Captain Dream Bunny explains, she's not going anywhere until we catch enough Zeds. Perhaps if we find some together, I can take you to Nod. It really is special, and the sleep there is just slumberful. Kevin lights up. Yes, Nod sounds like just the place. Let's go catch some Zeds. Kevin tiptoes through the twigs and finds some wiggly, giggly Zeds hiding in the undergrowth. He catches as many as he can, feeding them into the bubble duster's hungry Zed tank. All aboard, it's time to fly. Captain Dream Bunny and Kevin hop in, and up goes the bubble duster, gently floating through the night sky. The rocking to and fro lulls a lullaby. Tick tock, like a clock, until we find our center. Eyelids droop, and Kevin yawns, until pop, plop, ploppity pop, they land. But they still seem to be moving. Taking a peep over the edge of the basket, they discovered they are surrounded by the ocean. The bubble duster has landed on a whale. It's Big Blue. She is delighted to have some visitors and doesn't mind a jot that a hot air balloon has just landed on her head. Big Blue carries them over the inky black waves across the misty sea. A final gentle breeze sends them sailing to the shores of Nod.
Bye-bye, balloon friends,
Big Blue rumbles in her velvety deep voice. Captain Dream Bunny welcomes Kevin through a glittery golden gate. Above it is a sign saying, "Welcome to Nod." This place is magical. Just the sort of place where sleep can be the best it can be. Kevin sees a ginormous, twinkling, weeping willow tree. Entwined in the roots nestles a treasure chest It wiggles like it's ready to be opened. Kevin reaches down and opens the lid ever so slowly. Inside, he finds his own squidgy puffy pillow and a ticket to dream. Kevin hugs the pillow and pockets the ticket, bidding Captain Dream Bunny good night. A firefly guides Kevin to his very own nook, where a little candle flickers. The glow of the light makes Kevin yawn. Kevin snuggles into his crooked branch nook, feeling warm. He stretches his legs and paws wide like a star as he sinks into the softness like a cloud. His eyelids droop and eventually close. He hears the twinkling sound of the stars. He's found the place he can sleep the best sleep ever. A dreamland of cozy warmth. All is well. Enjoy your sleep, and good night.